everyone. You are all welcome to lecture number 692, and today's topic is the medicinal importance of alginic acid, and alginate means sodium alginate. Actually, algin is algae. It is polysaccharide, and it is extracted from Pacific and Atlantic coast, and it is marine product. And this algae, once it is treated with acid, it gives alginic acid. Alginic acid means where the hydroxy group of monosaccharides, they are converted into acetic acid. I have given here, that gives alginic acid. The algin is a natural digestible polysaccharide, and it is highly digestible polysaccharide. It is found in natural form, and actually it is algae, and it is extracted from marine algae such as kelps and wrack. So this your algin is extracted from this algae, and that algae's name is kelps or wracks. And what is alginic acid? Alginic acid, it is a gel forming a substance, and that algin, once it is treated with acid, it is converted into alginic acid, that in presence of mineral acid. So this is your one monosaccharide, and other one is this, and here one of the hydroxy group is converted into carboxylic group. That's why, and here also one of the hydroxy group is converted into oxalic acid, and that's why it is called D-manuric acid, and other one is called L-gluronic acid. And these two monosaccharides, D-manuric acid and D-gluronic acid, when they join together with the help of this ether linkage, O linkage, it is a glycoside. In glycosidic form means these two monosaccharides, the sugars in acidic form, they are linked by oxygen linkage, is a glycosidic form, and it is called alginic acid. And this alginic acid, once it is treated with sodium, it is sodium alginate. If it is treated with calcium, it is calcium alginate. Ammonium alginate. Potassium alginate. So this sodium alginate is having lot of uses in pharmaceutical industries, food industries, and also it is having lot of health benefit. This sodium alginate forms thick colloidal solution, viscous solution with water, and it is insoluble in organic solvents like petroleum ether, like alcohol and benzene, but it is highly soluble in water, and it forms gel, colloidal solution, and it is mainly used in pharmaceutical industries for first, that is as a stabilizing agent, as a integrating agent, disintegrating agent for capsules and tablets, also as a thickening agent. And in food industries, it is widely used to form different type of gels, jellies, and it is also used as a medicine. Nowadays, sodium alginate is available as a supplement in the form of powder or in the form of capsule. So the very important health benefit of this sodium alginate is that it is very effective in gastrointestinal disease, that is called acid reflux. So once somebody is having acid reflux, it is given in the form of tablet or powder, and it will immediately set in. Also, those who are having some bowel movement, stool problem, stomach disorder, it works very good as a purgative or laxative. and because it is having very good property of forming the viscous colloidal solution. That's why it can also help to ease the bowel movement for those people who are having some stomach disorder, means constipation or some other inside stomach problem. So these are all very, very important uses of sodium alginate, algin and alginic acid in pharmaceutical industries, in food industries, in textile industries also. It has lot of industrial uses, but mainly we are concerned here with pharmaceutical industries. And the pharmacy students, much is not given in the book about sodium alginate, but it has lot of uses nowadays. And as I have already told you,